Hi everyone, today we will learn about the linear programming. The case that we want to use is the Flare company cases, which is categorized as a case of a production mix. In this case, the company named Flare Furniture want to produce a table and chair, and each table and each chair has yield a profit 70 and also 50. The question in here is how to maximize the profit of the company considering all the constraints to produce both of the product. So we prepare the table, the template table like this one, like this. So the variable in here, the variable that we declare, decision variable, is how many table to produce and how many chair to produce. And then we just simply, as initial point, we put it this one as one table and one chair at the very beginning. And the objective function is let's see in here that each table yield a profit of 70, so we should put it here 70. And for each chair, produce a sold for 50, then we put it here 50. And if we sold one table and one chair with this price, so we will have the total profit. I put it in here, so I just simply multiply those, the unit produced in here, with the objective function, and then we have this one. And now let's move on to the constraint, which is how we can fill out the production time in here. For table, it takes, for each table, it takes 4 hours at carpentry and 2 hours in painting. So 4 hours carpentry and 2 hours in painting. For the chair, requires 3 hours in carpentry and 1 hour in painting and furnishing. So this one, 3 and 1. And then if you see here, there is a left hand side or hour use. It means this is the total hour used for each department. So we simply multiply this one, the unit produce, with the number unit produce in here for each department, with the time required in each department. And then we have this one, 7, and use. And right hand side is, this is the total capacity or total capacity available in each department. In this case, let's find out during the current production period, 240 hours of carpentry time are available. So this one should be 240 and this one 100. So okay, and this one should be less than or equal. This is also less than and equal. Then so we have finished all the setup, and then let's move on. Let's save it. Then let's move to the how we can determine the number of production in order to maximize the profit using the solver. So we click on here and then tool, and then click on solver, and then set the objective. My objective is to maximize this one. Then click on back again by changing the variable, which variable that I should change. I select it from here and then click on there, the yellow one, back again, and then the constraint I added, Then my constraint is this one and should be less than the sorry, this should be, my constraint is this one because I already multiplied this one. And then this should be less than the right hand side, so this one. Then I just simply click on OK, then click on solve. So it's changing automatically. So the total profit that we will get is 4,100, with the unit produced is 30 for table and 40 for chair. I hope this is clear for you in how to use the Excel solver in solving linear programming problem.